Stella's Book Club, super stories for super kids, mums and dads. Bird's New Shoes by Chris Riddell. Bird decided to take a walk in his new shoes. He met Rat. "What shiny new shoes," said Rat. "They're the very latest thing," said Bird. Rat decided to go for a stroll in his new bow tie and shoes. He met Warthog. "What a colourful new bow tie," said Warthog. "It's the new fashion," said Rat. Warthog went out for a breath of fresh air, wearing his new hat, bow tie and shoes. He met Buffalo. "I say, what a splendid hat," said Buffalo. "All the best dressed creatures have hats these days," said Warthog. Buffalo was grazing quietly, wearing his new vest, hat, bow tie and shoes, when Goat came along. "Excuse me, I couldn't help noticing your vest. Is it new?" said Goat. "Oh yes, I'm a very fashionable buffalo," said Buffalo. Just then, Anteater rushed past. "I must get a cloak. Everyone seems to be wearing them," he said. "Yes, I've been meaning to get a cloak," said Buffalo. "I'll get one too," said Goat. Rabbit appeared. "Haven't you heard?" he said. "Rat says cloaks are old-fashioned. He's wearing a new pair of jeans." "We must get some," said Buffalo, Goat and Anteater. "Wait!" shouted Rat. "I've just seen Warthog. He's wearing sunglasses." Rat, Warthog, Buffalo, Goat, Anteater and Rabbit were all having a quiet stroll. They met Snake. "I never go anywhere without my jeans," hissed Snake. "But your jeans are ragged at the bottom." "I only wear jeans with cuffs," said Rat. "I never wear jeans with cuffs," said Warthog. "Bell bottoms are much more fashionable." "Rubbish," said Buffalo. "Shorts are the very latest thing." "I don't think so," said Goat. "Not baggy shorts anyway," said Anteater. "Don't stick your nose in," said Rabbit. Buffalo argued with Warthog. Warthog argued with Rat. Goat bleated at Anteater, and Anteater stuck his nose in the air at Rabbit. Snake sulked. Just then, Bird walked past. "Where are your shoes?" everyone cried. "Oh, I like to be different," said Bird with a smile. Goodbye. I hope you liked the story.